I know this founder. Not personally, but I know the type. Had a six-figure business. Profitable, stable, kind of boring to him. Then he discovered AI. And in 6 months, he spent 200 grand on AI tools and basically destroyed everything. Revenue down 34%. Team morale destroyed. Almost went bankrupt. Here is what happened. Month 1. The excitement. He is buying everything. ChatGPT Premium, Jasper, Midjourney, Runway, 11 Labs. Zapier Automation, 3 grand a month in subscriptions. He tells his team, we are automating everything. They believed him. Month 2 and 3, the pivot. He starts replacing people. Writer, ChatGPT. Designer, Midjourney. Video editor, Runway. He fires 2 people, saves 15 grand a month. He thought he was winning. He was not. Month 4 and 5, the collapse. Here is where it breaks. The AI outputs are okay. Not great, okay. His customers know the difference. Leads start dropping. Conversion rate down 23%. He is spending 40 grand a month on tools.
Revenue is down 80 grand that month. Month 6. He has lost $240,000 in contracts. Spent $200,000 on AI tools. Net loss? 40 grand. Plus, he fired his best people. Here is what he got wrong. He confused tool adoption with strategy. He thought AI tools equal better business. That is not how it works. ChatGPT is amazing, but amazing at what? He never defined it. Midjourney creates beautiful images, but for what? No clue. Second mistake. He replaced humans instead of augmenting them. His writer didn't just write, she understood the brand voice. His designer didn't just design, she knew what converts. When you replace that with AI, you don't get the same thing cheaper and faster, you get something worse. Third mistake. He optimized for cost instead of quality. AI will save me money, but his customers don't care about his costs. They care if the output gets better. It didn't. It got cheaper and worse. Here's what actually works with AI. 1. Strategy first. Define the problem before you buy the tool. Not, AI is cool, let's use it. 2. Augment, don't replace. Your writer plus ChatGPT equals unstoppable. Your writer replaced by ChatGPT equals mediocre. 3. Quality over cost. If your customer can't tell the difference, don't bother. The irony? This founder had a working business. It was growing. It was profitable. But he wanted more, faster. So he bought AI tools. Now he's smaller, slower, and broke. What are you replacing instead of augmenting? Next time on the channel, why the people who actually win in 2026 aren't the ones with the best goals. They're the ones with the best systems. And I'm breaking down exactly how to build one. Always remember, build systems, not dreams. See you next video, guys.